So today is the day when I decided I'm going to show you some of my home exercise that I do. Okay, so I'm working on my hips, my bottom, and my waist today. Okay, yes, those three places. So I'm just going around in circle because I just have to warm up before and after. So I'm going to do mostly a little run. Yes, but you're not going to see every single thing. I'm just showing you some little clippies because the video was long. It's almost an hour I was exercising for, so I won't be able to show you every single thing. But I do like 3 sets of 10 on each side. So it's like I do 30 on one side, 30 on the other side with all the exercise. So I cut it short. So you see, I'm showing you that I'm working on my hip and my bottom right there. You see how the bumper are kind of push out, look when you put your foot back way. Yes, I have a couple exercises that I do for the past, couple of days, well, like over a week. I went to walk and I'm just trying to keep fit. I tend to do this most this time of the year, coming down to summer, but I should do it right through the year. I'm not going to exercise every single day, but I've been doing it for the past couple of days, every single day. So these are the exercises that I do, and I do them right in my house. I have a treadmill, and it's like whenever I go on the treadmill and I finish, like if I spend 20 minutes, I get dizzy. I don't like that. So that's why I really don't like the treadmill. So as I said, I do 3 sets of 10 for each exercise. So that one is 30. So I do 30 with the right foot, 30 with the left foot. Yeah, see how I'm swinging my arms? So I'm working on my upper body too. I didn't get to show you the one that I was doing for my belly, but hopefully another time. These are simple exercises that I do that really make a difference to my body. Since I start these exercises, I can run up any stairs. Before, no. So now I'm running, and I run for a couple of minutes, like about 15-20 minutes. I was running for a long time. I just didn't put everything in the video. So, and then I just speed it up to make it look quick because I don't want the video to go too long. But yeah, I've been doing that. You see, you don't have to be outside running up the street. You can do it right there just like that. I think it have the same impact. And I was sweating, guys. I was sweating. I make the room warm. So I was sweating, you see me here. And I just shower before I start my exercise. So yeah, so after I run, I definitely need to stretch. I'm getting very tired, so you see what I'm doing here? Yeah, that's not supposed to be a part of it. I just get tired and I have to stretch. After you run and you do like a major exercise, then you really have to stretch. Before starting my exercise, I want to drink a lot of water. Keep the melanin and make your skin hydrated. Yeah. Also, when you finish, you gotta drink a lot of water. Okay? Hope that exercise soaking. So then we want to think. Now is breakfast time, so I'm just gonna have some fruits, which is some grape and blueberry. Then I'm gonna toast 2 slices of bread and eat a whole avocado. Yes, I'm gonna take out that avocado and paste it on my toast bread and have that for breakfast with a cup of tea. That's it.